If you're over 60, listen closely, because what I'm about to tell you could completely change how you think about strength, energy, and muscle health. You've probably heard the same advice for years. Eat more protein. Load up on chicken, eggs, beef, drink your milk. And yet, even after doing all that, so many seniors still feel weaker. Their legs tremble when they stand up. Their arms feel tired after just a few minutes of work. It's frustrating, and it's not your fault. Because here's the truth almost nobody talks about. Animal protein isn't the full answer. Scientists are now uncovering a group of vegetables, yes, vegetables, that can actually rival, and in some cases even surpass animal protein when it comes to protecting and rebuilding muscle after 60. These aren't ordinary greens. They're packed with special compounds like leucine, magnesium, nitrates, and plant phytonutrients that awaken your muscles' ability to grow again, even after years of decline. They don't just fill you up, they heal you from the inside out, rebuilding muscle at the cellular level and restoring your energy naturally. So imagine this. You're getting out of a chair easily, walking up the stairs without holding the rail, feeling stronger every single day. And it's not from another steak or protein shake, but from a handful of simple greens on your plate. Let's talk about these muscle-saving vegetables that every senior should know about. Starting with one you might already have in your kitchen. Amaranth leaves. This humble green has been eaten for centuries across Asia and Africa, but what most people don't know is how powerful it really is. Amaranth leaves contain nearly 4 grams of protein per 100 grams, but more importantly, they're rich in leucine, an essential amino acid that your body needs to build muscle efficiently. Without leucine, even if you eat enough protein, your muscles can't repair properly. On top of that, amaranth is packed with calcium, magnesium, and iron, nutrients that strengthen your bones, boost blood flow, and keep your energy steady. Lightly sauté it with garlic, add it to soup, or blend it into a smoothie. Just a small serving a day can start making a real difference. Now, if you think that's impressive, wait till you hear about Moringa, the so-called miracle tree. Moringa leaves contain up to 27% protein when dried, and they include all 9 essential amino acids. That's right. This plant is a complete protein source, something you usually only get from meat, fish, or eggs. Moringa is also loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect muscle tissue. And because it's light and easy to digest, it's perfect for older adults who struggle with heavy animal proteins. Add Moringa powder to soups or smoothies, or use the fresh leaves in your meals. It's like giving your muscles a second chance. Another hidden gem? Sweet potato leaves. Most people toss them out, but they're full of polyphenol and flavonoids that protect your muscles from inflammation and oxidative stress, the main causes of muscle loss with age. They've got vitamin C, carotenoids, and plant protein that supports collagen and muscle repair. Try them sautéed or in soups. They taste mild and a little sweet, perfect for everyday meals. Next, let's talk about mustard greens. Slightly bitter, yes, but that bitterness means power. Mustard greens are loaded with vitamin K, calcium, and magnesium, plus special plant compounds called glucosinolates that reduce inflammation in aging tissues. One simple change, adding mustard greens to your stir-fry or soup, can make your joints feel less stiff and your movements easier over time. Now here's one you might already love, asparagus. Delicate, delicious, and secretly one of the best anti-aging vegetables out there. Asparagus is rich in glutathione, often called the master antioxidant. It defends your cells from oxidative stress, one of the main culprits behind muscle aging. It also has folate, vitamin E, and vitamin K, all essential for protein synthesis and cell repair. Steam it, grill it, toss it in olive oil. Just a few stalks a day can help you fight fatigue and build endurance. If you've ever struggled with low energy or blood sugar swings, you'll want to pay attention to this next one, bitter melon. Yes, it's bitter, but its benefits are incredible. Bitter melon contains compounds that help regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. That means your muscles get a steady stream of energy instead of crashing midday. It also fights inflammation and supports muscle recovery, especially if you've been feeling sluggish or tired. Try it in soups or stir-fries. A few servings a week can make a big difference. Now let's not forget okra, or as some call it, lady's finger. Don't underestimate it. It's a powerhouse for seniors. Okra provides magnesium, which is vital for muscle contraction and recovery. It also has that gel-like fiber that soothes digestion and helps your body absorb nutrients better, including protein from other foods. If you've ever felt like you eat enough but still feel weak, okra might be the missing piece. It helps your body actually use the nutrition you're giving it. And finally, one of the simplest but most powerful vegetables of all, cabbage. Cabbage is rich in vitamins C and K, supports collagen and bone strength, and contains compounds that calm inflammation in the body. But here's something special. Cabbage contains a rare nutrient called vitamin U, which protects your stomach and helps improve nutrient absorption. That means you're getting more out of every meal. And when you ferment it into sauerkraut or kimchi, you add probiotics that supercharge digestion and muscle repair even further. Now, here's where many people go wrong. They hear vegetables build muscle and start eating the same one every day or overcooking everything. Don't do that. Overcooking destroys the vitamins and antioxidants your muscles depend on. And eating only one type of vegetable means you miss out on others' unique benefits. Your strength doesn't come from one superfood. It comes from a team effort. Amaranth for protein, Moringa for amino acids, bitter melon for energy balance, asparagus for antioxidants, okra for absorption. Each plays a part. So, if you're over 60 and want to stay active, strong, and independent, start simple. Add just one of these vegetables to your meals this week. Then 2. Then 3. Because every plate is a choice between weakness or strength, decline or independence. If this video gave you hope, tap that like button, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments, where in the world are you watching from, and which of these vegetables will you try first? I read every single comment, and your stories inspire me more than you know. Together, let's build a community of strong, active seniors. One meal, one step, one victory at a time.